We're doing something crazy, something psychotic. My body is absolutely destroyed. Let's go do a SolidCore class and a Pure Barre class. Eggs, bacon, grits. Words cannot explain. Yes, I'm using a cup. I'm saving dishes. How sore I am. Cottage cheese and eggs are game changing. Protein. Aww. I know I don't really need it and it's completely mental, but I really think I need it. Heat on. I don't have long nails for this right now, but let's crack her on open. Oh, sizzle, sizzle, pop. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, I'm about to be, I don't know, but SolidCore, watch out. I need some liquid courage. Say hi.
Good morning.
Done and dusted. What do you have to tell the vlog?
Come to SolidCore. 7:30 a.m. on Monday.
Intermission. 30.
Tuesday,
Monday at 7:30 a.m.
Tuesday at 5 p.m., 6 p.m., and 7 p.m. At 5 p.m. and 6 p.m.
Sundays,
At 7 a.m. and 8 a.m.
I'll be at those. And now we go to Java. I woke up this morning and chose violence. I completely forgot that I had this in the car. And I really have to watch my caffeine. But I tell myself every day that I could be doing worse things. But that is definitely what got me through that workout. Okay, I'm gonna go home, eat some very quick food. I'm not that hungry, but your girl obviously needs something. All I want to say though is, don't get me wrong, my body is exhausted, but on the other side of things, like I know what I used to do in college with volleyball and stuff. This one probably don't want to hear this. I know I don't want to hear this half the time. You can do so much more than what you think you're doing. I'm not saying overtrain, not at all. Whatever, I'm not saying you do that. You don't need to work out every single day, but I did not want to freaking go to class today, and I told myself I'm going to use all of the springs to like help lighten up my load, so I wasn't using as much, or I was using more, but so I wasn't using, okay, basically to just help me out, okay? And no, I ended up, I was like, screw this. I drove here. I woke up at 6 today after being out late. That would be pointless for me to get up and just not freaking try. Yes, I listened to my body and I didn't go as heavy on some things, but I was doing so much more than what I told myself I was gonna be doing in there, because I was trying to limit myself, you know, just freaking push through it, and more than likely you'll be fine. Just saying. Again, overtraining is possible, but we can do so much more. We are so much more capable of what we think we can do. That was me spinning in circles, saying the same thing over and over again, but it's okay. You get the gist. Making protein pancakes the Peyton way. This is a recipe I'm pulling out of my butt. My dad was like, does that mean you played 300 points?
Why did you guys play so long?
I subbed for another team. I played 2 games myself and then I was a sub. I know.
Take a little bit of a break.
No. Last time I tried making these pancakes, the oats were just all hard still. But someone posted it on TikTok, so I'm trying it again. Greek yogurt is one of those things I want to like because everyone likes it. but I hate it. So I bought this a little bit ago. Doesn't smell bad. And we're gonna put it in the little bowl. Okay, that's good enough. Some egg whites and some protein. Mix, mix, mix. And I feel like adding vanilla. Vanilla, vanilla. I wanna try it even though there's egg whites in it. We'll see. Shake the dice and roll them. Stop. Kind of fire. Normally I like to add some fruit on top, but I'm kind of out and I don't want to use frozen fruit. Breakfast is served. Very nervous. Let's get a clean palette. I just have a feeling it's just missing the pancake feel, but maybe all those pancakes people make online that are healthier just are never the real thing. But it's okay. I'm using my Nespresso at home because that was water. So it seems like I'm having a lot of caffeine, but I'm not. I had to toss that other one. Here we go. We're just gonna do a single shot. Oh, that was fast. We're just reusing this. Ugh, but this is my at-home coffee. This is gonna be better. Peyton's coffee. Chicken, milk, need milk, zucchini. I don't know why I bought that last week. I put yogurt, question mark. Okay, I'm mentally feeling great, body tired. And we're heading off to Pure Barre right now. It's about a 22-minute drive from where I live. The rest of it is Are you serious? Where is this from?
It's a coffee shop that's right down there.
What is it? I just finished my first Pure Barre class. That is completely different. I didn't even know what to really expect. SolidCore was the first thing I've ever tried that wasn't like your typical lifting. And then this was not even comparable to SolidCore. My friend, I love you, Kara. I'm sorry, but I have to say, she slept in. So I walked in there and I did it. Don't worry, I met someone else that was taking class for their first time, so her and I like buddied up. But then poor Kara, she brought me a coffee. But I've never had this place before and it's so good. A caramel cookie butter latte. I'm sorry, Kara. You don't have to be sorry. I promise you, it's okay. But this is fire. This is what I needed after that first cup. Okay, I want to tell everyone the differences between at least SolidCore and Pure Barre from what I experienced, because I would want someone to tell me like the truth too. SolidCore, I absolutely love that. It's loud in there. The energy is great. I feel like, I don't know, the instructors, at least at my SolidCore classes, they don't make me want to slack. Like, they will let me know if I'm slacking, you know? I've got relationships with them. Some people don't like being told that stuff, and that is fine. Completely, like, whatever. To each their own. But, like, I love that stuff. The instructor was also great at Pure Barre. She gave me some little cues and stuff. Very helpful, but I kind of like when people get a little, like, oh, you woke up at 6 a.m. They don't say it in this tone at SolidCore. You know, like, do it for you. I'm like, you know what? You're so right. So I really love the energy at SolidCore, you know, with that loud music and everything. SolidCore is also, they do not call it Pilates, I believe, don't quote me on that. And it's more strength-based something. It's on a reformer the entire time. Pure Barre, it was a lot more just body weight. I think I just had 2-pound dumbbells when we were doing some like arm sequences and stuff. You can go up, I think I saw like 8 pounds in there. I do like a little bit more strength-based movements. And now that I've been doing SolidCore for a while, this is biased, like this is a biased opinion, okay? With SolidCore, you go so slow paced, and that's what really gets it. They would say like your muscle fibers, something, working to second stage muscle failure. Just watch, I'm gonna be a SolidCore coach. I love it. Like, it is just another type of burn I've never experienced, and I would not be able to make myself do what they make me do at SolidCore. single leg movements, you have the bilateral movements, you have just, it's awesome. If you haven't tried a SolidCore class, I wish this were sponsored, but it's not. Definitely recommend. Give it like 10 classes or so. The first class, you're not gonna know what you're doing. You know, that's how it is with everything when you try something new. Overall, I highly recommend SolidCore. You're getting it's not like heavy lifting weights. It does have a little more strength aspect in it. And I love the environment, the energy. With Pure Barre, you were also using a bar. Like, you weren't doing ballet, but like you were. I don't know how else to explain it. I don't know, I just feel like a badass when I go into SolidCore. Differences though. Pros, if you're looking for something like a lot more low impact, I guess Pure Barre, but still SolidCore is a lot lower impact than what I traditionally have always done in the past, which was always like heavy lifting and like athletic training, sprinting, jumps, and all of that stuff, and like Olympic lifting. So to me, both of them are low impact, but if you want something even lower impact, Pure Barre. And this was just me rambling, but try both. Let me know what you think. I got my groceries. Do a grocery haul because I've been healthy all day with y'all. Got some almond milk. 2 things of oat milk because I've been loving oat milk in my lattes lately when I get it at coffee shops, and it was on sale. So I was like, and I've been using a lot of milk for smoothies and coffee when I make it at home. This needed to be restocked. I don't know why I bought a zucchini last week, but that's in there. Got some more bananas and some apples. I've been loving apples. Then some raspberries and blueberries. Eggs, because I have them every day. They survived the trip back. Chicken, because I also have chicken every day. Turkey bacon. Usually I have eggs and ham. But I'm loving turkey bacon and peanut butter. This is pretty much all I needed. I'm trying to not overspend. And yes, I know it's weird that there's corn in this veggie mix, but it's good. I've seriously been having this like every day the last week and a half now. Okay, it's time I end the vlog. I got my laundry done and I need to shower majorly. It's 1 and yeah, just need to get some stuff done around the house and get some work done. So thanks for spending the morning with me. Make sure to like, subscribe, or hit that like button. Drop a comment down below. Share this with a friend and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.